It has taken me 20 years of teaching and hundreds of hours of building, breaking, and testing AI systems to realize the truth. Most professionals are working harder than they have to because they're still using the AI as a chatbot, while the top 9% are using it to orchestrate their work. People aren't just using AI to write emails anymore. They're moving past that. Writing an email with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude is now just a baseline skill. It's the bare minimum. To be truly indispensable in 2026, you need to stop talking to a chatbot and start directing a coordinated team of specialists. This is part 1 of a 5-part series designed to move you from user to director. Step 1 is to stop prompting the weak, ineffective way everyone else does. No more 10-word sentences that get generic, mediocre results. Instead, I'm going to show you the reverse method. It's a way to get perfect results every single time you hit enter. This is a complete game changer if you use AI anywhere at work or in your business. And stick around because toward the end, I'll show you how to lock these into your own asset vault, essentially building a permanent department of digital workers that you own. The truth is, I used to do the same thing. I'd open an email, skim it, and then ask Gemini, help me reply to this email. Say A, B, and C, and make it friendly. It worked, but I had to do it one email at a time, and I was still spending a lot of time editing those drafts. But then I learned how to orchestrate it. I could automate 80% of the process. Now, when I check my emails in the mornings, I open up Gemini and only need to type these words, triage my inbox. Simultaneously, 20 unread emails are scanned and categorized. Level 1, 2, and 3. I get a summary, a suggested action, and a drafted reply in my actual voice. Essentially, I built a zero inbox agent that uses one master prompt to do the heavy lifting for me. That is orchestration. It takes the annoying tasks that soak up your time and turns them into a system you easily direct. So, how can you actually build these systems? Use the reverse method. Most people waste time using AI to help with repetitive tasks because they write a new prompt from a blank page each time. They have to go through the extra step of thinking and writing that prompt each time. That adds up and is unnecessary, and that's what we want to eliminate. Responding to emails is just one example. How often do you ask AI to help you summarize a long report, find the logic in a mountain of data, draft a sales proposal, or handle a difficult customer response? In 2026, you shouldn't be asking AI for help. You should be triggering a system. To do this, you make AI write its own set of instructions based on a result you've already perfected. You work backwards from a proven prompt result to find the source code that created it. This way, not only do you have a copy of a perfected prompt ready to use, you also don't have to take the time to find it and paste it into the chat box. It's already in the system, ready to go. In step 1, you can start messy. Give the AI a basic B- prompt, and what you're going to get is something generic. But continue. Tell it what's wrong. Tell it what adjustments you want. Tell it how it should be better, and be specific. One issue I ran into is that the AI listed emails that required no further action as a priority 1. This didn't really make sense, and all I needed to do was bring that to the attention of Gemini, and things were corrected. The AI was only looking at the topic of the message and overlooked if I had already responded. It was an easy fix, so Keep polishing until that output is a 9 out of 10, even better if it's a 10 out of 10. Once the output is essentially perfect, do not close the chat. This is the part that most people miss. It's in step 2 that you get AI to reverse its thinking and then produce a master prompt. Enter this command next. This is perfect. Analyze the logic and formatting of this response. Now, write a master system prompt that would generate this exact result in one go if I used it in a fresh chat. You can find this exact command in the description below. Next, AI is probably going to spit out a long, detailed set of instructions. This is now your AI intellectual property. You have the source code, but how do you actually make it run on command? Do you need a command line? No, you just need a trigger. Whether you're using gems in Gemini, custom GPTs in ChatGPT, or projects in Claude, the process is almost exactly the same. And these are the simple steps to do it. 1. Open your tool of choice, click Create a Gem or Configure GPT. 2. Paste your master system prompt. Drop that entire block of text that you just extracted into the instructions box. And 3. Set your trigger phrase. This is the closest thing you'll get to a command line. At the very bottom of your instructions, add this line. When I type triage, for example, or whatever your command is, execute the logic above. You've just built a one-click specialist. You don't have to re-explain your business, your tone, or paste in your prompt again. You just open your gem or GPT, type your trigger, and watch the system work. So many people treat every AI interaction like a one-night stand. They start from scratch every time. But when you orchestrate, you are building an intellectual property vault. Every master system prompt you create becomes a digital worker you now own. You aren't just saving time, you're building a workforce. But every worker needs a home. So be sure to keep a copy of all of your prompts in a safe, easy to access location. Open a folder on your computer or online, like in Google Drive, and call it your prompt vault and add your prompts there. Start today. Pick one task you do more than once a week, for example, a client update, a report, even email, and follow the reverse method. Make the initial prompt, polish it at least to a 9 out of 10, use the command to extract the master prompt, then file it in your vault. That's it. One task, one worker. Now you've taken the first step toward building your own department. You have your logic and you have your first asset in the vault. But an AI director is only as good as their team. If you're using the wrong AI for the job, you're still working harder than you have to. So it's best to know which AIs can do more than others. Check out this video here to see why Gemini is the heavy hitter for your operations and the 5 critical things it can do that ChatGPT simply cannot. And if you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a like or a comment. It really helps the channel. Also, subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.